Hey dessert lovers, if you've ever craved a cold creamy treat and wanted it fast, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you how to whip up the perfect Oreo milkshake in just 3 minutes. Seriously, set your timers because it's about to get delicious. First thing first, gather your ingredients. You'll need 5 Oreo cookies, 2 big scoops of vanilla ice cream, half a cup of cold milk, a little whipped cream, and if you're feeling extra, some chocolate syrup. That's it. No fancy stuff, just the classics. Alright, let's get blending. Grab your blender and toss in those Oreo cookies. I like to break them up a little with my hands first. Makes it easier for the blender to do its thing. Next, drop in the scoops of ice cream. Don't be shy. The creamier the better. Pour in your milk. If you like it super thick, use less milk. If you want it sippable, add a bit more. You're the boss here. Now slap on the lid and blend until smooth. This is the best part. The cookies swirl with the ice cream, and the whole thing turns this beautiful cookies and cream color. If you like some cookie chunks, just pulse a couple times. If you want it silky smooth, let it go for 20 seconds. Time for the grand finale. Grab your favorite glass, maybe drizzle a little chocolate syrup inside for that pro look, and pour in your milkshake. Top it off with a mountain of whipped cream, and because more is always better, a mini Oreo on top. There you have it. The perfect Oreo milkshake, ready in 3 minutes. It's cold, it's creamy, it's chocolatey, and it's everything you want when you need a sweet fix fast. So next time you're craving dessert, forget the drive-thru. Make it at home, make it fun, and make it yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite milkshake add-ins in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas. Thanks for hanging out and sipping along with me. Until next time, stay sweet.